In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reconcile your accounts in Gnucash, and we'll do it all in just 5 minutes. Reconciliation is an essential step in managing your finances, ensuring that your records align with your bank statements. It might sound a bit daunting at first, but once you get the hang of it, it can be a straightforward and even satisfying process. To start, you'll want to launch Gnucash on your device. Look for the familiar icon, and once it's open, navigate to your account register. Here, you'll find all the transactions for the account you're reconciling. From the account register, go to the top menu and select Actions, then click on Reconcile. This sets us up to enter all the necessary details about your reconciliation. When the Reconcile window appears, it'll prompt you for some information. You'll need to enter the statement date, which should match the closing date on your physical bank statement. Additionally, enter the ending balance from your statement. If you've previously reconciled this account, Gnucash will automatically fill in the starting balance for you. Make sure these numbers are correct, as they form the foundation of an accurate reconciliation. Now, the main Reconcile window is your primary workspace. It's divided into 2 panes, Funds In and Funds Out. Each pane lists all the unreconciled transactions in your Gnucash account. Take your physical bank statement and carefully compare it against this list. Your goal here is to match each transaction on your statement with one in Gnucash. Once you find a matching transaction, click on it in the Gnucash window. This action will mark it as reconciled, and you should see a Y or similar notation appear in the R field next to that transaction. Take your time with this step. Accuracy is crucial to ensure your accounts are balanced. Continue marking transactions one by one until the difference field at the bottom of your screen shows 0.00. This means all the transactions from your statement have been accounted for in Gnucash, and your reconciliation is successful. Finally, after verifying that the difference is 0, you're ready to click the Finish button on the toolbar. This action records your hard work and updates the reconciliation status of your transactions in Gnucash. It's like hitting the Save button for all your effort, ensuring your financial records are up to date and accurate. And there you have it, a quick and efficient way to keep your financial life in balance using Gnucash. With practice, this process will become more intuitive and a routine part of your financial management. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this guide helps make your reconciliation process smoother in the future.